You do your shoulders?
Evan. Yeah, do your shoulder dance.
Evan. Shoulders?
Come on, bud. Do it.
Don't make me do
Lydia's doing her booty dance. Evan, shrug your shoulders. Not gonna do it.
Do one at a time.
You playing with the girls. Are you gonna get off the couch?
You get a spotter for this. There you go, sweetie.
Good job,
job.
Liz. That's how you do it.
And
Yeah. Oh, almost.
No.
let's stay on the couch. Hi.
Good job, miss.
You can do it.
Good job.